Welcome to the official PCR Online course platform. We will explore step by step the different sections on the platform. In the Program tab, you will not only find the full course program, but you can also create your customizable program. Here you will find all the sessions by room, time, and day. You have a general glance view and a more detailed list view with learning objectives, speakers, topics, etc. You can add a session to your personal calendar or in your My Program space with just one click. In My Program, you will find all the sessions you have added during the course. In the Watch Videos tab, you will find exclusive online content, interviews and replays of the live stream program, sponsored sessions, live cases, late-breaking trials, and much more. If a video takes your fancy, you can always watch it some other time by clicking on Watch Later, and you can do this for as many videos as you like. Here you can find all the sessions that were streamed during the course and are available for replay. By using the list view, you can access the replay videos directly, but only 24 hours after the initial broadcast. Click here to access the videos you stored to watch later. And here you can search for a video by applying specific filters, such as topic, session, format, focus on, room, date, etc. By clicking on the Abstract Book tab, you will have an overview of all the abstracts accepted to the course and can access them easily. In the Publication tab, you can access freely the latest articles and issues of the Eurointervention Journal. You can also activate your 1-year free subscription to Eurointervention if you're a PCR companion. On the homepage, you can easily and directly access to the different sections of the platform, from publications to the latest social media posts, expert interviews, and replays. So don't wait any longer and get your platform access now on pcronline.com.